Hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio. I'm here with my ninth part of my temperature project. It's the September at the beginning and I just started measuring the first 10 days. I usually measure temperatures after a week or 10 days, 3 or 4 times per month. I marked the temperatures in my project sheet and crochet a part of my caterpillar body ball. So now at the beginning of September you can see that the temperatures were pretty nice, above 20 degrees Celsius, and look at the temperature scale. It's a pink and a violet color, which was a perfect beginning of September. Was amazing. Regarding the crocheting, I crochet a body ball starting with a magic ring, and then I chain 6 single crochet stitches as a first row. Then I do increase by 6 stitches in every row. So in the second row increase by 6, finishing with 12 stitches, and the third row finishing with 18, the next row with 24, then 30, 36, 42, and I finish increasing with 48 stitches, and then I crochet with no increase, keeping 48 stitches in the row. And then I will show you it at the end of September. I do decrease and again by 6 stitches. How I change the color? I don't finish a single crochet the last stitch in the row, and I change the color, finishing the single crochet with the new color. So now I'm finishing the single crochet with the pink color and working the next stitch with the pink color. You can also hide the end, I mean the pink one, put the thread on the top of stitches and work around it. So guys, I will continue crocheting, finishing the first part of my body ball with 48 stitches. And then regarding the temperatures and days, I measure the temperature every day, and now 2 days will create one row. So 1 day from now will be 24 stitches, and 2 days will create one row. The reason is that we have 30 or 31 days in 1 month, and I want to have a body ball really like a ball, so not a oval. So that's why I use this number of rows. And this is my best cat friend Harry. He really loves my crocheting, and he loves checking my stitches and colors. So now he helps me with the temperature rainbow caterpillar. I'm continuing measuring temperatures, and let's have a look on my project sheet. The temperatures in the middle of September were quite nice, above 20 degrees, 21, 23, and then 19, 18, 24, 26. It was really pleasant time. And looking at the temperature scale, you can see the pink color and a new row with the yellow color as well. So Harry, is everything fine? I hope I have the correct colors, and yes, the pink and yellow. So this is it. So now 2 days, create 1 row, and still I have 48 stitches in the row. And 1 violet row. So I will continue crocheting and I will show you the result in a minute. I use yarn Dolly, which is microacrylic yarn. It has really bright colors, and I'm so happy that the caterpillar is so beautifully colored. So look at this part, yellow stitches. So are you satisfied, Harry? I think he is. And I will meet you at the end of September and show you the temperatures. Here we are. It was a quite temperature jump at the end of September. Not sure if you have the same issue, but from a really hot weekend we jump to really chilly and cold days. So look at these, 30 degrees Celsius, and then jump to 11. Wow. It's a really big and sharp jump by 20, almost 20 degrees Celsius. And in this time I will also do decrease of my stitches, but not so sharp, by 6 stitches. Okay, and decreasing is really easy. I do decrease using 2 single crochet stitches together, crocheting evenly around. And looking at the colors, from the violet I use the light green. You see 11 degrees, then the green, a yellow, and last 2 days a green color. Wow. So this is the end of September. How many months I don't use green color. Well, it's a reality. And at the cold end of September. So guys, look at the colors now, from the violet to light green, green, yellow and green. I use the toys for stuffing, and this is the method for decreasing. I like working in front loops and joining 2 stitches together. Okay, so insert the hook in the front loop of next 2 stitches, pull the loop through front loops and then finish a single crochet. Okay, and make decrease by 6 stitches and you will finish the last row with 6 stitches. So guys, this is the method working in front loops only. Once you finish your crocheting, cut the yarn, leaving a longer tail for sewing the body ball. Okay. It's really cute. And now let's join the balls. Okay, and June, July, August were the balls with no green colors, no light green, no green, but the September brought the green back to the caterpillar. Close the last row with the thread and using this longer tail, and pull the yarn through the front loops of last 6 stitches. Then sew the balls together. Okay, and you know, I will crochet also the legs. The legs are now they will be with made with the violet color. Okay, I'm using the colors from the temperature scale, and the violet color is now on turn. Okay, perfect. And sew the legs on sides or slightly below the body, and this is it. This is my rainbow temperature caterpillar with the September ball. I really love the colors, it's amazing and it's so cute. And how many colors I used for the September ball? We'll count them. 6 colors, guys, so it's amazing. So this is the end of my temperature vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And guys, I'm thinking about the new temperature project. We can work again together from January, and I think it could be an animal as well. What do you think? Please let me know if you work on your temperature projects, what you love to create, and if you want to continue with me, I will prepare the video tutorial. So thank you once again, have a nice time, and bye for now. Bye bye.